My dear students, how are you? I think you are well. I am well. Now I am going to take your English second paper, especially grammar. At first you I show some slides and you can imagine what is the class I am going to take today. Dear students, look at these sentences and guess what is the lesson today. Rajshahi is an old city. It stands on the Padma in a village called Bashua in Rajshahi. There is a man who is recognized as a book lover. He is a Pulan Sarkar. Pulan Sarkar is an old man. He buys books with his own money. He lends villagers books. The villagers become delighted with books they bought from Sarkar. They have found that reading is a good habit. Okay, my dear students, you can imagine. What is the lesson today? Articles. Today we practice articles and their uses. You know, a an এবং দিকে আর্টিকেল বলে কার্য উৎপত্তি অনুযায়ী এরা সাধারণত অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হিসেবে পরিগণিত হয় কারণ এরা নাউনকে কোয়ালিফাই বা নির্দেশ করে তবে অ্যাডজেক্টিভের সাথে আর্টিকেলের কিছু পার্থক্য রয়েছে মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস অ্যাডজেক্টিভের ডিগ্রি অফ কম্পারিশন আছে কিন্তু আর্টিকেলের ডিগ্রি অফ কম্পারিশন নাই অধিকাংশ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ প্রেডিকেটিভ ভার্ব এর পরে বসতে পারে কিন্তু আর্টিকেল প্রেডিকেটিভ হিসেবে বসতে পারে না you know definite article indefinite article there are two kinds of article definite article and indefinite article you know article is an adjective indefinite article এ এবং অ্যানকে ইনডেফিনাইট আর্টিকেল বলে কারণ তারা কোনো অনির্দিষ্ট ব্যক্তি প্রাণী ও বস্তুকে বোঝায় সিঙ্গুলার কাউন্টেবল নাউনের পূর্বে এ অথবা অ্যান বসে অর্থগত দিক থেকে এদের মধ্যে কোনো পার্থক্য নেই তবে ব্যবহারের দিক থেকে এদের পার্থক্য রয়েছে এক্সাম্পল হিসেবে আমরা বলতে পারি হি বট এ পেন দ্য বুক দ্য বয় টুক অ্যান এগ ডেফিনাইট আর্টিকেল দিকে ডেফিনাইট আর্টিকেল বলে কারণ এটা এক বা একাধিক বস্তু বা প্রাণীকে নির্দেশ করে বোঝায় ডেফিনাইট আর্টিকেল সিঙ্গুলার এবং প্লুরাল উভয় প্রকার নাউনের পূর্বে বসে উদাহরণ হিসেবে আমরা বলতে পারি দ্য বয়েজ আর প্লেয়িং দ্য গার্ল ইজ রিডিং what is the definition of article the word that denotes a noun definitely or indefinitely is called article the word which is used to indicate the definiteness or indefiniteness of a noun is called article. Example, the crow is an ugly bird. Well, you know there are two kinds of article. One is definite article and another is indefinite article. This slide you show some pictures and we put before this word article book, lion, a student, mango, woman, bird. My dear students, you write this word on your khata and put article. You know at the beginning of the word you see alphabet as a consonant we put article a and at the beginning of the word you see vowel we put an as the article. Okay, my dear students, you practice this. A book, a lion, a student, a mango, a woman, a bird. You see, here is an article, and they are consonant sound at the beginning of this word. Here are also given some pictures, and you write this article before this word. You, one-eyed man, uniform, one taka note, European. My dear students, you write these sentences on your khata. Okay, I think you write these sentences. You check this answer. A one-eyed man, a uniform, a one taka note, a European. You see, at the beginning of this word, we say vowel, but here we put yan instead. We put a instead of yan. আমরা জানি যে ভাওয়াল থাকা সত্ত্বেও যদি উচ্চারণ ইউ এর মতো উচ্চারিত হয়, ভাওয়াল সাউন্ড যদি ওয়া বা আয়ের মতো উচ্চারিত হয়, প্রোনাউন্সটা যদি আ এবং ওয়ার মতো উচ্চারিত হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে ইয়ান না বসে ইয়ে বসে। Here you see some pictures: ant, egg, umbrella, ice cream, ox. You write this sentence. My dear students, you put this article before this word. Okay, you solve it and check your answer. An ant, an egg, an umbrella, an ice cream, an ox. Here an is an article and they are vowel sound. My dear students, you see another picture. Our honest man. You write this sentence and put article. Okay, my dear students, and check your answer. An honest man. Here he is silent. Here is silent. এখানে কনসোনেন্ট থাকা সত্ত্বেও আমরা আমরা দেখছি এখানে ইয়ান বসছে, কারণ এইচ এর উচ্চারণ হওয়া এটা উচ্চারিত না হয়ে যদি ওয়ের মতো উচ্চারিত হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে ইয়ে না বসে ইয়ান বসে। It is vowel sound. Here a and an are indefinite article. My dear students, in this slide you see some pictures: Quran, Titanic, North, Westminster Palace, Padma. You write these sentences and put article before this word. Okay, my dear students, you write these sentences on your khata and practice this. The Quran, the Titanic, the North, the Westminster Palace, the Padma. You see another picture. You see Sahara, Jamuna Express, Bay of Bengal, Bangladesh Times. The Sahara, the Jamuna Express, the Bay of Bengal, the Bangladesh Times. Here they is indefinite article.
An ant. Rainbow, shouldn't it be A for ant? Oh, this is not an alphabet puzzle. It is a puzzle with articles. The indefinite articles a and an. Let us match the correct article with the animal. A fox. An ostrich. A cat. An eagle. A dog. An elephant. An owl. A bear. And Rainbow, I hope you haven't forgotten the definite article the. We use it when we speak of a particular person or thing. Let us now fill in the blanks with the correct article. Dash egg in dash nest. An egg in a nest. Dash apple on dash branch. An apple on a branch. Dash girl with dash ice cream. A girl with an ice cream. Dash cloud in dash sky. A cloud in the sky. Dash ox with dash cart. An ox with a cart. Dash earth moves around dash sun. The earth moves around the sun. Dash island with dash tree. An island with a tree. Dash mouse and dash eagle. A mouse and an eagle. Dash engine on dash track. An engine on a track. Good. Rainbow.
Okay, my dear students. Here also you write down these sentences. You see there are two passages. It is your duty to fill up these articles. There are two gap filling activities. You write these sentences and put this article before the word. Fill in the gap blanks with definite and indefinite articles. Dash owl, an owl lived in dash tree. As the owl looked up dash at dash sky, she saw dash moon shining brightly. Another fill in the gaps. Dash grasshopper is dash a small animal. It is dash insect. It looks like dash grass. It lives on. You write these sentences. You fill up this gap. My dear students, I think you finished it and put this article and you check your answers. An owl lived in a tree. As the owl looked up at the sky, she saw dash moon shining brightly. A grasshopper is a small animal. It is an insect. It looks like the grass it lives in. You have done well. You fill up this gap using this article. Okay, my dear students. Now I am asking you some questions. You see, what is the kind of article, my dear students? Okay, what are they? Okay, you must in this class you must know the definition of article, kinds of article, and what are they, and the use of this article. Now, my dear students, you write this passage and it is your home task. Mohan has dashboard. It is dash blue board. He rolls it with dash O for dash hour every day. Do you like dash color of dash board? My dear students, you finished it. It is your home task. You practice this at home. Thank you, my dear students. You must stay at home. You clean your hands, face, and we must you must wear masks. And the next day, when your school will open, you show these home tasks